Well, they did a little bit better this time around. Hello, I'm Mike with WriterSanctuary, and today I want to be taking a look at attempt number 2 at using Amazon ads for my book. Now, this time around, I used 50 cents instead of 25 cents for the bidding amount, and it did a little bit better. Now, I did set the ads to run with a $3 budget per day, but I didn't even come close to hitting that. But my book is fairly niche specific, so I'm not expecting a windfall. So let's take a look at how well the ads did. So far, grand total, I've had 7,506 impressions, 2 clicks. Now, the vast majority of that happened this past 30 days when I ran both the dynamic and the fixed ads on Amazon. I think in grand total last time around it's like a little over 2,000 impressions, so this was quite a bit more for almost 3 times as, or let's see, double? Yeah, almost 3 times as much with only doubling the bid, so. And I only spent 83 cents on it. So how do the dynamic bids do? Well, the dynamic is the bids where Amazon will automatically adjust your bid up and down depending on whether there's a strong ability for you to make a sale. So the dynamic ads actually had 4,421 impressions. This is where I made or had the 83 cents in total from the 2 clicks, and the placement actually hit the top of the search at 180 impressions. So that's not entirely too bad. Product pages got 1 click, and rest of the search got 1 click. Now, unfortunately, I didn't get any clicks on the front page, but you know, without making a sale, it doesn't really matter where your ad shows. I mean, in reality, the whole purpose of marketing is to make money. So what about the fixed ads? Well, the fixed ads didn't fare so well. 2,601 impressions, so dynamic bids almost doubled that. But I didn't spend a single dime on anything, and the placements were far worse. So like in the top of search results, 3 impressions. Woo! 2,360 impressions for the rest of the search, 238 in product pages. So when you compare that to dynamic, it's, you know, apples and fish. Now the next time around, I'm going to try 75 cents with the $3 budget. Now remember, I don't have a lot of disposable income to throw at these kind of ads. Considering how niche my book is, never spend anything you're not afraid to lose. And at this moment, I'm okay with losing $3 a day. I also plan on rewriting the text for the ad and probably the description of the book. I seem to have focused it more on me as a professional. No one knows who the hell I am, so maybe I should rewrite it to share what I can offer the reader. Now, I had a feeling I was going to be doing this anyway a couple of months ago. That's the whole purpose of this book, was to fine-tune my strategies for it so that when I publish something like Kingmaker, then I'll have a leg up. So why do I use some of the other techniques that people use on or show off on YouTube? That's because every book is unique. Every experience is going to be unique. I'm trying to find the best things that work specifically for me, because what works for one person isn't necessarily going to work for another, especially when your book is as niche specific as mine. And as I said before, my book is not going to be in the bestseller list. Unless you know who I am or want to figure out how I succeeded on content mills like Text Broker, you're not going to buy it. But playing around with the ad system while using a freelancer's tale does give me a little bit of a leg up when it comes to marketing books, or my next book, which is Kingmaker, hopefully releasing out on May 1st. So by doubling the ads from 25 cents to 50 cents did make a difference. I'm hoping that going from 50 cents to 75 cents will also make a difference. And then after that, I have a few other strategies I want to try out just for shits and giggles to see what happens. And yeah, so there we have it. If you use ads for your book, what has been the most successful? I'm still on the fence for trying Google Ads. I've used Google Ads before for other products, and you can rack up the feeds pretty fast. Same goes with Facebook. I'm kind of on the fence with Facebook too. I'm more likely to use Google Ads than Facebook, but I don't know, we'll have to see. But if you do want to learn how I succeeded on content mills like Text Broker, A Freelancer's Tale is now available on Amazon's as ebook and paperback format. It's a story of how I got started, all while dealing with one of the most depressive moments of my life. It's essentially a story about hope and never giving up. But if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button for more videos about self-publishing, freelance writing, blogging, or anything else I cover. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I think it's going to do it for me today. I'll see you next time.